half down do. It's super simple. There's actually no braiding involved on this one, but it is super simple to do. So the first thing crosses over, making this really cool effect at the bottom. So the first thing okay, so this very first hairstyle is one that really reminds me of Belle from Beauty and the Beast. I just love how it gets all of the hair out.
Stop, you forgot to subscribe, and do not neglect that. You are the owner of the channel, and we fulfill your dreams. Do not forget a brave comment from you. Happy day.